For those of you looking to step up your juggling game, you might be interested in trying out Juggling Clubs. As you can see from Paul's demonstration, they can look really cool, and if you're on stage, they can be really big and visual versus the juggling balls.
Ah, yeah. But a juggling club is kind of expensive. This will cost you $20 each. And you need 3 of them or 4 of them, depending how good you are. But this homemade one is going to cost you about $2, maybe even a little bit less. So you really can't beat it for the price.
Why don't you show us how you made it?
Yeah,
And
okay.
tell us how you made it.
Sure. Well, the pieces that you'll need is you'll need a 2-liter bottle. After you drink your soda water or your pop, just
Oops.
clean it out or dry it. I know, they do fall hard. The bigger they are, the harder they fall, they say. So a 2-liter bottle, a 3/4-inch dowel, and you want that dowel cut to 20 inches in length, and a cane stopper, a cane bottom. It's like a foot, sometimes I think they're called too, and you'll get this at your...
Yeah, I was going to say, where do you get something like that?
Yeah, at the hardware store or the cane supply store.
What aisle is that in?
Yeah, aisle 14.
What kinds of stuff is it around?
Oh,
I wouldn't know where to ask.
Yeah, well, so
guess
like
we'd
in
ask
like
somebody.
feet, where they sell the
like
feet for...
Chairs and furniture?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Gotcha.
And then you need a screw and a screwdriver. And then some athletic tape. So we're not going to make one right here, but I'll just kind of walk you through it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You take the label off your bottle so it's nice and pretty. And you take your 3/4-inch dowel, you push it all the way into the bottom, and then you screw right there into the bottom to secure the dowel to the bottle. And then you take your foot and you push that into the top. Now they come in different sizes, so make sure you get a corresponding size. In this case, a 3/4-inch foot. You push that into the bottom. Sometimes I screw...
Did you use a hammer?
Yeah, you can usually sort of muscle it down there, but you can kind of use a mallet to toss that in or mallet it down. You could also screw that in if you'd like to make it extra secure. But actually, the tape will do that job. Because then what you want to do is you want to take some of that athletic tape, you know, that canvas kind of tape. Cloth tape.
Yep.
And you're just going to wind the tape around and down, overlapping the handle as you go, and finally secure the stick or the dowel to the bottle and to the foot.
Pretty
And there
simple
you go.
construction.
Yeah, and check this out. Look at this. Look. It flips.
Take
See
both.
that? Whoop. Did you see that? It flips. Whoa. Which one did I make? Which one did I buy? You don't know. You can't tell. That's right.
You could probably paint that or decorate this with tape or paint or something.
For sure. In fact, I've even seen people, what they'll do is they'll take small soda bottles, like 16-ounce soda bottles, and they'll have a smaller one. And because there's less weight at the end, what they'll do is they'll weight it either with some sand, or sometimes they'll even take a tennis ball, cut that in half, and screw the tennis ball on the end to give it weight.
Gotcha.
So you can really experiment with that.
With different designs.
Yeah.
Well, awesome. Happy juggling.